The OnePlus Ace 6T comes with 6.83 inches Full HD plus AMOLED display, 165Hz refresh rate, and crystal shield glass protection. Rear camera's 50-megapixel main camera with OIS, plus 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera with 4K video, 16-megapixel selfie camera with 1080p video. Powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 5, 3nm chipset, it runs on Android 16, based on Color OS 16, comes with 12GB, 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 256GB, 512GB, 1TB of UFS 4.1 onboard storage, no microSD card, backed by a massive 8300 mAh battery. With 100-watt fast charging, measures 8.1, 8.3mm thickness, and 211, 216, 217 grams. Weight and color options: flash black, electric purple, and glimpse green. Other features includes in-display fingerprint sensor, dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6.0, GPS, NFC, USB Type-C charging, Type-C jack, stereo speakers, IR blaster, and IP68, IP69, IP69K rating. Pricing starts at 2,599 Chinese yuan for the 12GB plus 256GB model.